Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Switching it up with the environment, sometimes that office that I got gets a little bit dark, and so we're actually here in the garage, and what the heck, we'll switch it up. This is a topic that's been important to us. I want to talk about our packaging today. Our packaging has pretty much been the same ever since we got started a little over 3 years ago, and we're completely evolving it for the customer experience. We want to bring the best experience that we can, whether that's through our customer service, whether that's through our unboxing experience and overall use of your tabletop avionics panels. But today we're really proud and really excited to unveil our next generation of packaging. We're going to start rolling this out with our Glass Cockpit. That's going to be the first set of SKUs to start to receive this new packaging treatment. But I want to talk a little bit about sustainability. I want to talk about why it's so important. We hear the word sustainability all over the world. We hear multiple large corporations, hundreds of corporations. Everybody's got a sustainability footprint. Whether it started with the Walmart scorecard over 15, 20 years ago to what it is today, there's really a few key principles. And one of the main principles that I always related to in sustainability is one, to just reduce and reuse our overall material footprints, but also to just be thinking about our future generations. And that's really the most important thing that I found that I've always been able to relate to, and really what our company relates to. And so what that means is the materials that we use, the materials that we select, the materials that are deemed to be recyclable or not, we aim to use all of those and really do all of the above. Our packing peanuts, forever, they were always biodegradable. You could put them out and literally litter them in the world. I'm not recommending you do that, but if they were to blow away in the wind, they would just simply break down in the environment and cause no harm, no ocean harm, no dirt harm, no soil harm, completely biodegradable. Our paper packaging is fully recyclable. That can be recycled at your local MRF and municipality. Our new packaging structure, which I'm going to be unveiling here in a minute, is made of PE foam, and PE is fully recyclable here in North America. Your country jurisdiction may vary, but really at the end of the day, PE is a recyclable material. And we've always encouraged our customers to take advantage of the large box size that your Slavix panel ships in and use it for either a gifting season or shipping other large items. But at the end of the day, we've always chosen materials that have been recyclable. We'll continue to do that, but we'll always give a deep care and understanding for what the unboxing experience means. And that's really why we have evolved into our new packaging structure. So if you go ahead, bear with me, I'm going to go ahead and get them out here. I'm going to get out our old packaging experience and what many of you customers may have experienced, and then I'm going to unveil our new packaging experience. So we hope you enjoy it. Okay, so once again, I wanted to talk a little bit about our old packaging solution, and hopefully I don't bring any post-traumatic packaging issues here. If you were a customer, you remember it was literally peanuts all over the floor. It was like you took your panel out and there were peanuts everywhere. It was a totally terrible unboxing experience, and it's what we had at the time, but we've really evolved from this. So this was the old, and we're excited to talk about the new. And here's our new packaging solution. So it's completely engineered from the PE foam, fully recyclable, and really easy for the customer to get their product out of the package. You basically receive it and you simply just pull it right out. Very, very simple. And so once you've done that, you're able to take your product and just simply place it right there on the floor. Take off the remaining shroud, and you've got a box. You don't have a ton of peanuts. Somehow, a small peanut made it in there. I don't know how that happened, but basically, it's a customer-pleasing experience. That's what we aim for here at Stay Level Avionix, and I think you all know that. So once again, I'm just really excited to announce our new packaging solution. Hope you guys are as excited about it as I am, and we'll see you on the next one. Stay level.